Let's look at 45, 45, 90 degree triangles. They have a special bit to them just like the 30, 60, 90s. Even easier though, because if it's 45 and 45, you know it's an isosceles, a right isosceles triangle, meaning these two sides are the same. So we call him X, then he's X. So if he's 5, he's 5. He's 7, he's 7. They're going to be the same length. The hypotenuse here, now you could do Pythagorean theorem, but you'll learn that what it is, it's going to be whatever X is times root 2. Now I'm going to take a quick look at that Pythagorean theorem bit just because I think it's important for us to understand the math. If this is X, so we do this side squared plus the other leg squared equal the missing side, which we always refer to as the C, because A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And that's what we're trying to find. Well, I got X squared and X squared, so what's that? Well, that's 2 X squareds, which equals the C squared. Take the square root of that side, square root of this side. Square root of the C is just, well, C squared is C. Now what about this? Well, notice it has an X times X, so the X comes out. You're left behind with the square root of 2 there. So this length, the hypotenuse, is X times root 2. In other words, this is always root 2 times bigger, which is like 1.414, something of that nature, times bigger than the side lengths. So if somebody said, hey, Cease, this guy's 5. Well, if he's 5, then I know he's 5, and the hypotenuse will be 5 times the square root of 2. It's that simple. Now, if you had a triangle that was 45, 45, 90, and they gave you the measurement here of, let's say, 3, well, to get back here, you'd have to divide by root 2. Since we multiplied by root 2 to get the hypotenuse, you would divide by root 2 to get back here. So this is going to be 3 divided by root 2. And this side would be 3 divided by root 2. Now remember, I showed you in the other video, we like to rationalize the denominator. This guy would come out to equal 3 root 2 over 2. So this measurement down here would be the same, 3 root 2 over 2. The way we get that is we multiply the bottom by root 2 and the top by root 2. Root 2 times root 2, cancel it out to give me 2. And then I get 3 times root 2. Again, look at the other video if you don't remember how to rationalize the denominator. But there you have it for 45, 45, 90 degree triangles. Very simple. The hypotenuse is simply root 2 times as larger than the 2 side lengths.